Hey, my name is Sarah Kate. Thanks for stopping by my channel. I just took Tone Correcting Serum by Skin Better Science for a test drive all summer long. June, July, and August, I use this to keep my brown spots from surfacing. This product also targets not only browns, but reds and yellows in the skin also. So anything that's gonna cause that uneven skin tone. I typically reach for hydroquinone, but I actually get a lot of color in the sun because I'm half Persian. So here's what I loved about this product. Super lightweight, didn't sting or burn, didn't break me out, and it wasn't irritating at all. So I would highly recommend, if you deal with any pigment issues, trying this out. The way to use it is you're going to apply your antioxidant if you use one in the morning. You would put 1 to 2 pumps of this on top. Then if you need to layer your hyaluronic acid or moisturizer, lastly and most importantly, your SPF. Then in the evening, cleanse your skin, 1 to 2 pumps of this first thing, and then you can put your retinol or whatever you like to use over top. However, if you use a growth factor, like a human growth factor, that's gonna go first. If you're using Zeo growth factor, that gets applied last. Okay, hope that helps you with like the application. But what makes this product different than some of the others on the market? They have an ingredient called hexyl resorcinol. They have a patent on it. And what hexyl resorcinol does, it is actually just targeting the pigment only. That's different than any of the other products on the market. What you'll notice in a lot of more natural products is 2 ingredients, kojic acid and licorice root. Almost always in all skin lightening products are those 2 lovely ingredients. Then the other big, like, I don't know if you want to bring out the big guns is what I always say, would be hydroquinone. You can find up to a 2% over the counter in the United States. It is banned in Europe because it is a carcinogen. I use it, I say pick your toxins. However, I thought this summer, let me try something a little cleaner. And not just that, I was really hoping that I could maintain my tan on my face without having all of my pigment pop to the surface. What I noticed was, this really kept it from getting super dark. The redness in my skin really subsided, and I don't tend to have a lot of yellow. I have a yellow undertone, but I don't have yellows in my skin. But it does treat that if that's something you deal with. So I'm a huge fan. I'm gonna continue to use it, and then I'm gonna incorporate this with any of the treatments I do. A little side note. If you are a person of color, if you tend to be a skin type 3, 4, 5, or 6, it is important to use something like a hydroquinone, 4%, maybe a 6%, before any aggressive treatments that you might do in the office, okay? And the reason for that is it suppresses your melanocytes. And so that way you don't get a big surge of melanin and get a line of demarcation or any lines of demarcations or problems. So that is why it is a really nice product to use before a laser treatment, and then also after, 4 weeks before, 4 weeks after. And then you can come off of it and revert to something like this. So this won a lot of awards because it is so fantastic. I highly recommend it, and there is a link right below this video if it's something you want to know more about. It'll send you right to the website where you can buy it. I do not get kickbacks for that. I do not get any benefits from that, but I just made it easy so you could access it on your own. I hope this information finds you well. If it's helpful, give this a thumbs up, and I'll catch you soon.